Is that old phone system on its last legs? If so, you've got an important decision ahead of you. Before you upgrade your phone system, take the time to find the answers to these 9 key questions. First, check on what's included and not included in each user bundle. For example, do you have to rent the phones or can you purchase them? Next, find out how you'll add and remove users from your service. Do you have to pay for devices or for users? When an outage or disaster strikes, can the system divert calls to mobile devices if the network is down? Do remote and mobile workers get the same features as their colleagues back at the office? Is the quality the same for all users? Are the features the same between your desk phone, desktop, and mobile devices? Hey, maybe you don't even need a desk phone. Does the system support features like auto attendance, music on hold, automatic call distribution, and call queuing, so your business will never miss a call? Does it have features to enhance your productivity like conferencing, collaboration, and instant messaging? Does the system support iPhone and Android devices? Can it support all of those productivity features when your users are mobile? Does the system have a web portal for you to self-manage its features? Can you get diagnostics to quickly identify any issues that you may run into? That's all 9 questions, but there's one more thing to remember. The fanciest features or the lowest price won't do you much good if quality, reliability, or security aren't core components of the platform your voice service relies on. And of course, you can always talk with the team at TPX if you have any more questions.